Okay, wanted to show you today how to cut in carpet tile across this edge. Now, this carpet tile, not only is it too long at this point here, but we've also got this corner to cut in. And these corners, when you set them, you actually set them out a little bit. So this corner isn't square, this corner isn't square. How do you deal with all of that when you're cutting in a carpet tile? Now, we're going to show you how to do that with only a knife and a pen, no ruler at all, just flipping the tile. Now I'm just going to line up my pattern the direction I want it. Okay, there we go. Just little arrows on the back of it for the pattern that you're trying to match. Now what we're going to do here, the tile eventually needs to go in like that and have this little bit of it cut out. So we're going to mark the first two corners. I'm going to flip the tile upside down in that direction, push it tight against this angle that I actually want to cut, even if it's off on an angle, and then measure in and mark this little edge there and this little edge there. Okay, then throw another carpet tile on top because it's got a square edge to work with, or at least a straight edge I should say on this one. Line up your two marks and draw a line across roughly where you're going to cut, extending out a bit past it. The next one is this back wall. Whoops. This back wall that I'm going to cut out. Same sort of thing, I push it up against the back wall, find, yeah, there we go, this mark here and this mark here. So, yeah. And this one, I'm going to use my straight edge again from the carpet tile. Mark all the way across because I'm going to cut that whole section out. Now, how do we now take this corner? So let's always go back to your direction that you want the tile to go in. Have a little think about it. And what you want to do is flip the tile that direction, because we're now going to go into this corner, line it up with this corner edge that I'm trying to cut in, and then find the intersecting point of the 500 tiles. So on here I've got the edge of the tile as it comes in and extends, and there's a point that I can mark just there, and then using the intersection of this tile, I can then get that cut. See there? So now I have to fold that over. Should always do this to try and error check where you're going. I'm holding this little corner and that top edge, that's what I need to cut out. So just have a look again. Yes, that cuts out and this corner gets cut out. Then it's just a matter of cutting it all out. Now, we've got a nice perfect edge. Let's have a look at that. So, in this edge, we've cut it in. If you look really closely, it's nice right up on that edge, all the way around, without using any type of tape measure, ruler, anything of the sort. Have fun.